Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone using a Brother PT-D600 or PT-D450 label printer. The J-ZMQER 6ft Black Mini USB data cable cord. It might seem like just another cable, but as we all know, the right connection can make all the difference in our daily tech lives. This particular cable from J-ZMQER is designed specifically to ensure seamless data transfer and, where applicable, high-speed charging for your compatible Brother label printer. At 6 feet long, it offers a fantastic balance of reach and manageability. You get enough length to comfortably connect your printer to a computer or power source without being tethered right next to it. Yet it's not so long that it creates an unruly mess of wires on your desk. The classic black color also means it will blend in nicely with most office or home setups, maintaining a clean aesthetic. One of the most crucial aspects of any data cable, especially for a printer, is reliability. You don't want dropped connections in the middle of a print job or slow data transfer that wastes your valuable time. The J-ZMQER cable is built with this in mind. It features a mini USB connector, which is the precise type required for the Brother PT-D600 and PT-D450 models, ensuring a snug and secure fit. This dedicated compatibility means you can trust it to perform exactly as expected, providing a stable link for all your printing needs, from sending complex label designs to updating printer firmware. Beyond its primary function, the brand J-ZMQER emphasizes safety and quality across its product line, and this cable is no exception. While some of the detailed safety mechanisms like protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and internal overheating are often highlighted for power adapters, their inclusion here speaks volumes about the brand's commitment to producing reliable and safe accessories. It gives users peace of mind knowing that they are using a product that adheres to international quality certification standards, ensuring not just functionality, but also the longevity of both the cable and the connected devices. Choosing the right cable might seem like a minor decision, but it significantly impacts your workflow and the performance of your devices. With the J-ZMQER 6ft Black Mini USB data cable, users are choosing convenience and efficiency. It promises a high-speed connection, which is vital whether you're transferring data or utilizing its charging capabilities. The manufacturer's advice to simply ensure you choose the right device before purchasing is a testament to their confidence in the product's specific compatibility and performance. In conclusion, for anyone owning a Brother PT-D600 or PT-D450 label printer, this J-ZMQER Mini USB data cable presents itself as an excellent, reliable option. Its optimal length, dedicated compatibility, and the brand's focus on safety and quality make it a smart investment for ensuring your label printing tasks are always smooth and uninterrupted. It's more than just a cable, it's a dependable link in your productivity chain.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.